Every summer, we hear from people who just planted panicle hydrangeas like limelight or firelight, and the leaves start turning yellow. As long as it's the leaves and the inner part of the plant, there's really no cause for concern. What's happening is that as the plant has grown, it has started to shade its own inner leaves. And leaves that are in the shade aren't as effective at photosynthesis, or in other words, creating energy for the plants, as the leaves that are exposed to the full sun. The plant's like, why am I keeping these leaves around when they're not good photosynthesizers? So it turns yellow, which indicates that it's taking the chlorophyll, or the energy, translocating it into its body so it has that energy, and then it's going to drop the leaves. Again, as long as those yellow leaves stay only confined to really the center of the plant, and you're not seeing yellowing on the outer leaves, it's not a cause for concern. It's just the plant adapting to the conditions it's growing in.